He says that he's going to do a framework contract. But how does this help if at all you don't have budget? Then he's also proposing to have public-private partnership on issues of blood. We cannot leave the issues of blood to the private individuals. Honorable Speaker, I want to just highlight something because I want to help the PS and I also want to help our chair, Health. I have looked at the shortfall of the budget that the Speaker, this ministry has alluded to. He says that we had 700 million that was allocated, but this was reduced to 300 million. Honorable Speaker, I have been able to allocate, to find where this 400 donated 85 million shillings. ADC Vihiga Church, the president donated 50 million shillings. AIPC Centenary, the president donated 50 million shillings. In Jesus Winners Ministry, the president donated 100 million shillings. AIC Wasingishu, the president donated 20 million shillings. Honorable Speaker, I have been able to get where the money for blood transfusion has been going to. Honorable Speaker, the president is taking the money for blood donation to the churches and taking them to empowerment programs when Kenyans are left to die.
Honorable Kagusha. Order, members. You do not have to raise your hands. You are not in a classroom. Honorable members, use your interventions. Honorable member for Nandi, what is out of order?
Honorable Speaker, is it in order for the Honorable Member Kagusha to blatantly lie about